Well, I got up one morning and I had a cramp in my leg all the way down to my foot, and I jumped out of bed and I pressed down on my foot, and when I did, I was in excruciating pain. I thought maybe I'd broken something. Kind of crept around all day, and I talked to Betsy, my next door neighbor, and she said, "I'm going to take you down to Doc." I got in immediately, and I was able to talk to the specialist immediately, and they did an x-ray on me immediately, and came in and gave me the results. Then they scheduled me for surgery. That really did impress me somewhat, because I was able to get that results very quickly. I'm sure they called to see if to verify insurance, but it was fast. In fact, it was the speediest that I've ever seen that process. I was shocked, actually. This process took, I don't really know, maybe an hour. I'm not really sure if it was an hour. Seems like it was like 30 minutes maybe. If I had someone that asked me about going to Doc, rather than go to the emergency room, I would tell them to go to Doc, because it's a speedy process, and they're just very good. They give you what you need, the information you need immediately.